Hello, this is Steve at Hydrogen for Health. One of the most common questions I get all the time is, how do I clean my bottle? What's the maintenance on my bottle? And the quick answer is that these bottles are maintenance free. There's not really anything you need to do to clean them other than the obvious, putting this in the dishwasher every once in a while and wiping this off with a damp rag. But from time to time, while you're drinking your water, you might notice there's a smell or an odor coming from the bottom. This is when I clean my bottle, and that's usually every 4 to 6 months. I'll get that smell on the bottom of there, and I'm not sure if it's because of the type of water I use or what it is. But so what I do is I run a little process through it to get that smell out. And this goes for both bottles. What you want to do is have some citric acid on hand. You can get this at Walmart in, I think, the laundry detergent department, or where they have the laundry detergents. Or you can use some lemon juice. So it's the acid and the lemon juice that makes the cleaning process happen, and citric acid, obviously. So we want to go ahead and measure out 1 level teaspoon of citric acid. But first of all, we want to fill our water bottle about 1/3 of the way up from the bottom. About like that. We'll take our citric acid, get out about 1 teaspoon, pour it into your bottle, and put the cap on, shake it up. And go ahead and shake it for about 30 seconds. And then you want to go ahead and just let it sit in the bottle for about 2 hours. At no time during this whole process do you ever want to start the bottle. The citric acid in it, along with making hydrogen, can damage the unit, so you'll never want to turn it on while you're doing this. So just leave it off. And then after 2 hours, you're just going to simply dump it out and rinse it out. And then it's ready to use, and you'll notice that smell is gone. If you want to use the lemon juice, you're going to want to put in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice instead of the 1. It's a little bit more diluted than the citric acid, but this will work too if you have this in your refrigerator. Yeah, and that's about it. Wanted to thank everyone for watching my video. This is Steve.